what's happening in society. There's so much corruption, so much immorality, especially among the youth. So I'll try my best to give them trainings and skill acquisition and get them out of the road so they can have a better future.
Hello, please, after now, we are going to the club. In fact, you have